Is silver a good investment right now as inflation spirals out of control? In this video, you'll learn two reasons why I think silver is such a good investment right now. Hi, I'm Mike, and this channel is to help you get started in the Forex market. For those of you who don't know what the Forex market is, that's a little bit of everything: gold, silver, foreign currencies, crude oil, and cryptocurrencies. If you're new here, hit the like and subscribe button so you get notifications of my new videos that I post. First, let's talk about inflation, what it is. You can see it every day. It's the fact that the dollar continues to lose value. Gas, groceries, and consumer goods are all going up because the dollar is losing value. The smart money is shifting towards real money. History is not on the side of fake currencies. What fake currencies are is they're paper money that's backed by the good faith and credit of the government. The US dollar used to be backed by gold. When the dollar or currency is backed by gold, it puts limitations on the government on what it can spend and what it can print. With no limitations, the government can run wild. The US government has printed more money since 2020 to now than it has in the whole history of our country. Can you imagine that? Right now, we're currently $30 trillion in debt and have enormous liabilities right around the corner. Right now, the budget for 2022 is $6 trillion. We bought in 3 trillion. So that means we're 3 trillion over what we brought in. And then we're going to gain about another trillion just in interest payments on what we owe. The real money is your best option to hedge against the dollar collapsing. Silver will go through the roof. You want to have some in your possession. History will be on your side. The last currency to fail was Zimbabwe. You would think the rest of the world would pay attention to what happened. They were printing money out of thin air, but they didn't. Protect yourself and protect your family. Own real money. Remember, the more you understand wealth cycles and have more knowledge about financial history, the more money you're going to make, the better investment decisions you're going to make. For that reason, I'll hit you up on the next video. Thanks for watching.